Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how we can make beautiful animations easily for your storytelling, marketing or whatever it is. You don't need to have any technical knowledge for this and you can make it in minutes with the help of Canva. So without any further ado, let's get started. So right now we are on the home screen of Canva. From here you can browse to the video section and from there you can click on any type of video you want to make, like TikTok or whatever. I'm clicking the YouTube here. Now we are on the editing section here. From here you can go over to element and choose any element you want, like graphical or photos. I'm going with the graphics, and from there, since I'm making a meta scene, I'm searching for that, and from there I will choose a relevant image. I chose this one, and now I will add some animated elements in this, like the trees and all. I will add some trees here to make it look more alive and attractive. I will add some bunch of trees over there, and you can add other relevant elements that make sense. No, this is not the main part here. You know this thing already, adding animated elements. Just stick with me for a minute. Okay, alright. Now we'll add animations to this element. This is the main part. So click on the element and then click over to the animations. From there you can click on the create an animation and animate the element the way you want it to be animated, like the way you wanted it to be moved. See, now this is how I'm adding animations to the clouds. Alright, I'm creating this complete scene here, like start to finish, just to show the people who don't know Canva how Canva actually works and how you can make it work. But if you are already aware of Canva, then you don't need to obviously see this all. You know how it to work around from here. This is the final scene. I hope it gives you some idea of how you can add animations and have it actually work. and you can then download your video as MP4 like this, all these pages, and then download. Now it will download as a video file that you can use. So I hope this helped. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.